Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this quick tutorial to show you how to find houses to rent. Um, we're gonna be looking at trying to find the cheapest possible houses to rent, and then we will also be looking at finding rooms and making comparable to see how much we can find, how much the rooms can rent for, and see if it would be working for the type of houses that we find. So again, we're going to be using Rightmove. This is to find the houses, and we're going to be using Gum3 to find the rooms. In order to do that, I'm just going to type London to give us the broadest possible range of houses to find. We need the houses to be minimum 5 bedroom to achieve the maximum potential, and I'm gonna make we just leave all the rest like this, so leave these areas, leave everything like that. We're just gonna be looking at the broad pictures right now. Okay, remember, always put 50 and always put lowest price first. Okay. Okay, so remember, we've got to find full houses, not only the room. Those are just bedrooms to rent. We're not interested in this. We're gonna see a price jump when we're gonna be seeing the houses. So those are still rooms only. Those are rooms. All rooms. Price is going up a little bit. This is a commercial property, so we're not looking at this. Right. This would be a full house, but we can see already here that it's only one double bedroom apartment. We're not interested in this. Okay, so here we go. This is something that we would be looking at, so I'm just gonna put it on the side. Just do a right click and just open in a new tab. This one, 5 bedrooms, so this could be good. We're just gonna put it in a new tab. This one could be good as well. Let's take that one. This one seems to be really nice. We're gonna take that one. Okay, so here we got different areas. So this one's gonna be Enfield. This one here is gonna be Edmonton, which is north, which is close to Enfield as well. This one is southeast, so we're trying to find some southeast as well. Okay, so we got 2 in southeast, and we got 2 in north. Let's have a look at the one in north. This is one of them. We have a look at the inside, the quality. Okay, it's not that bad, it's clean, it's not great either. If we look at the map, we can see where it is. There's a station here, there's another one here. We can see how far it is from the station. Okay, as I said, this is in Edmonton, this is the area here. Okay, alright, so this is where this house is. Let's have a look at this one, because it's the same price, more or less. Yes, it is. Okay, this one is really nice. Really nice house. I mean, I would want to live in this house because it's just really nice, and I feel like there's a really nice garden. This is really something that I wouldn't mind renting a room in. It's really nice. Okay, so there's 2 reception. There's 5 bedroom, and 2 reception. This house is massive, and when we look, the price is the same as this one, and this one is definitely not as nice. So this is something we want to have a look at, because this could be a really good, really nice house for us. We can see that the price per month is 1,900. Now we've got to have a look on Gumtree, and so the house is in Enfield, so we can copy this like that. Okay, and we can, sorry, mistake there, a bit of a, just gonna come back on Gumtree. Okay, so we're gonna be looking for double bedroom. Okay, and we're gonna be looking in Enfield. There you go, you pass it there, keep it here for now, and we're gonna have a look at what we find. Okay, so here's one. This is 1 bedroom, so 550 a month. Okay, there's another one 400. This is quite cheap. There's another one there 130, 112, 120, 112. That's the same actually from the other one, 500. Okay, so very quickly looking at this, I can see that the range goes from 550 to 500, 550 to 450. Very quickly looking at this. So that's the room at 550. Okay, very poor pictures, all upside down. It's really bad. But we can see the house. Okay, so let's say that there's 5 rooms at the 5 rooms that we can rent at 525 in the nice house that we saw. Does give us 2625. Okay, I think we're gonna have to rent it for 550 in order to make it work for us. That's £2,750. If we remove the bills, which is gonna be about £550, the bills will include the cleaning, the electricity, gas and water, the council tax, and the Wi-Fi. It's 2,200 minus 1,900 of rent. It's 300. So we can see that if we were to use this really nice house and we would rent 5 rooms at 550, we could, once we took all our bills out, including the rent, we would be left with 300. There is 2 reception room, so maybe would it be possible to do maybe 6 rooms instead of 5, that we could maybe rent at 500. Sorry, 500 times 6 rooms. So that will give us 3,000. So now if we remove the rent, which is 1,900, and if we remove the bills, which I'm gonna put at 600 because there's one more person, so it will be a little bit more bills, then we're left with 500. So I think this house that we saw is definitely something we should be putting some fake ads. We can potentially reuse the same photos, put the fake ads on Gumtree, and advertise the room for 550, maybe 600, 575 to start with, to see if there's any response. So maybe we can only rent 5 rooms. If we see there's not that much response, then maybe we need to drop the price to 500 and create an extra room in the lounge. Let's just have a look again at the lounge. I think this is the kitchen maybe, or this is a room. This is what they call a reception room. So I mean, you would have to use this one to do the lounge, and you would have to lose probably this one, or actually maybe this is one of them. That's one reception, and that would be, this one will be the other one. So you need to lose one of those. You will maybe have to put some curtains here to separate the two rooms, so someone can have a bed here, and that is probably the other lounge. Okay, so I think I hope this explains how to look for what to look for and how to do the research when looking for rent to rent. Obviously, we also had the one is SE7 and SE25. This one obviously looks pretty nice. It's well decorated. There's a really nice kitchen. So maybe this one would be worth having a look as well and see how much money the room can be rented on Gum3, and then making the calculation and see if this one would work. All right. Thank